Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be making Tsubuan, which is a coarse style of sweet red bean paste, which keeps the beans mostly whole. Now this is perfect for anpan, dorayaki, mochi and much more. So to start, we're going to take 250 grams of dried azuki beans or 1 cup. And then we're going to add about 2 cups of water. Then we're going to pop it on the heat and bring it to the boil. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat slightly and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. After about 15 minutes, you should notice that your beans have plumped up significantly. And now we're going to drain them and change the water. This is just to remove any bitterness from the beans. So return the beans back to the pot and once again cover them with plenty of water. So bring that back to the boil and then reduce the heat slightly, and we're going to simmer that for between an hour and 15 minutes to an hour and a half. So after simmering, your beans should be really soft and almost starting to fall apart. Now let's strain them again. To the beans, add about 325 grams of sugar or about a cup of sugar. Then add a pinch of salt. So over the heat, give them a good mix and eventually your sugar should start to dissolve. Keep stirring over the heat until your beans have reached about this texture. Then pop it in a large dish to cool down. And that's it, our finished Tsubuan or coarse red bean paste. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Until the next time.